Alright, let's see what's in the Zippo locker today. I just got this one in. It's nothing really special, but it is unique to my collection. Now this one's another blister pack. Broken blister pack. And the label on this thing says, can you read that? It's regular satin chrome. Let's take this thing out of the blister pack, take a look at it. Okay, this is the satin chrome. Very plain, nothing special about it. It's got the label on it. But the reason I bought this is for when it was made, and you can probably see that it is A of 14. That's January of this year. This is my only 2014 Zippo. This is the only Zippo I have that has 2014 on it. So that's just a plain satin chrome, not collectible, just a plain one. And as a way of comparison, here's a fancy one, and there's a plain one. Fancy, plain, fancy, plain. This was made in 2012. And this is 2014. And yes, both of them are worth a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.